the smart way to cool faster, farther, and wider. Samsung Inverter, Split Air Conditioner. It has world's first 8-pole digital inverter, which provides fast cooling and saves energy. Unlike the conventional air conditioners, with 4-pole inverters, its 8-pole digital inverter provides fast cooling by helping your air conditioner to quickly reach the maximum cooling speed. It's energy saving by ensuring a more effective operation and by maintaining the desired temperature without having to turn your air conditioner on and off. The 2-step cooling mode automatically adjusts settings to keep you comfortably cool. Its inbuilt triple protection plus technology enables your air conditioner to keep going, even in the most challenging conditions. Single user mode is an energy-saving option when you are alone. You don't need to worry about electricity bills anymore. We design your home and everyday life. Samsung Split Air Conditioner.